Hi, I'm Maddie Lambert, Associate Editor at Commercial Baking, and I am here catching up with Gary Gottenbusch, industry vet and pretzel expert. Gary, thank you so much for catching up with me.
Well, thank you for taking time to talk to me. I appreciate it.
So, as an industry vet, I'm a newbie. This is my first time here at Pack Expo, and I just wanted to pick your brain about some trends you're seeing on the show floor.
Well, for me, everything that's happening is different trend. Being everyone's from different countries, they bring something different, even a different solution to the same problem. So for me, that's very exciting and very interesting to see different perspectives and options as far as problem solving. So,
How has this technology evolved since you've been in the industry?
everybody's aware of the smart machines, but for me, it's more the integration of the entire systems together instead of having separate components where I used to buy separate pieces of equipment. Now they all tie together, and having one phone call to make if there's a problem, that all the machines communicate now together and gather data constantly so that we can analyze it. It's like drinking from a fire hose, though.
Oh, I'm sure. It's a lot of information to take in, but I was curious what advice you have for up-and-coming bakers looking, and how should they navigate the show floor?
So for me, I take the first day and I walk the whole floor. It takes one day to walk through, try not to have too many conversations, carve it up, stay focused, and then I come back to more specific tasks, because this is at least a 2-day show to walk and actually get things done specifically and make appointments. Because if you don't make appointments, you don't get to talk to the key people, and some people don't take you seriously as well.
All right, well, thank you so much for catching up with me.
Thank you very much.